welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 in your old laptop system. In today's video I have used Dell Inspiron N5050 laptop. So this is a low spec configuration laptop which I have upgraded only the RAM with 4GB extra. So this laptop consists of 8GB of RAM and 1TB of hard disk drive. So let us see how fast this works. And before going to this, just make a bootable device of USB and insert into your laptop and turn on your system. And before turning on, you also need to enable the boot settings of USB. So let me turn on my laptop now. So it will take few more seconds to open. Let us wait. So now you can see the Windows logo is popped up. That means the installation has started. So starting it asks your language to install. Let this be English United. And keyboard and time will be of English India. Then click next. Give install now. So as you don't have a product key, let us say I don't have a product key, and you can either go with Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Home, and go with Pro, then give next, and accept, next, system installation. So for this, you need to erase all the data in your hard disk. For this, press Shift plus F10. So you will get a command prompt. In this command prompt, you have to press disk part. Press enter. So it has came to your hard disk. Once you enter disk part, then you have to list those disks. So list disk. So as you can see, you have 3 disks: disk 0, disk 1, disk 2, where you show all of this data. And here you see disk 0 of 931 GB. Select this disk 0. For this command, select disk 0. Disk 0 is now selected. Now clean this disk. So now you can see disk part succeeded in cleaning the disks. This removes all partitions. Then convert to MBR. Enter convert MBR. Disk part successfully converted to selected MBR. Then you have to click exit, leaving disk, exit. So this fixes the MBR issue. Now click refresh. So this happens in your old system. While installing, you have to clean the disk partition. Once this is done, click next. The files are copying to Windows and getting files ready for installation. This process takes some time to finish those steps before installing. Let us wait for a few more minutes to happen this. I'll put it on fast loop. Okay. So installing updates, getting files ready for installation is completed. So let's wait for finishing up. I think the Windows needs to restart to continue. So let us start with the general installation. Region is India, yes. English, India. Let's connect to this network. now complete setup is done. So this is the moment what we are waiting for. So let us see. This might take several minutes, so let us wait for those minutes. Yes, now we are at the exact screen where we wanted. So things are working perfectly fine. Let us go out. Things are getting a little slow, but that's fine. I have not installed anything. But one suggestion which I would give is to have an antivirus. So you can see the configuration. It's a file 3 and 8 GB 1 TB 5 disks. Yeah, super. This is fun. So this is how we can install Windows 10 in your old PC, guys. So this is of, as you saw, Dell Inspiron system. So this is of today's video. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.